Hello friends, today we'll be talking about the table tools. What exactly is table? A table is made up of rows and columns into which we can enter text and numbers. We can insert rows and columns, we can delete rows and columns, we can merge cells, we can split cells. So the first one is insert table. So let's go in the next page. So first of all we go to the insert tab and click this table option. So if I place my cursor, as you can see here, 3 into 3, it means 3 columns and 3 rows. And if I move my cursor on the right hand side, you can see that 4 into 3, it means 4 columns and 3 rows. If I click here, a table will be inserted. And from this point, I can increase the size of my table. And from this point, you can move the tables around the document with the help of this button. And there is another way. First of all, we go to the insert and we can click table options, and here we can see insert table. With the help of these tools, we can insert table manually. So now here we have to mention the number of rows and columns. Let's say I want 4 columns and 3 rows and say OK. Now as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 3 rows. The same way we can increase our table. The next one is called table styles. Now, if we want to apply styles in the table, first of all, we have to click here and we go to design, and here you will find this is the table styles. So you select any of the style from here. So we can select many styles from here. And if you want to remove, if you want to apply the plain table, just you have to click this table, black and white. Then the next one is called shading. What is called shading? Shading means to apply colors in the cells, okay, in the cells of the table. So let's say I want to apply one color here. So I will select this cell and I will go to this shading and I will choose one color. And if I want to apply one color here, I will select this cell and I will go to shading, again choose a different color. So likewise, we can apply colors in different cells. Now, if we want to apply one single color in the table, so first of all we have to select the table and we have to click here and we have to choose one color from here. That's all for today. Thank you so much.